The pressure maintains for Workhorse. Is this stock about to rally and squeeze soon? Let's talk about it. Hey, you lucky traders. My name is Sean, and this is Sean Stocks. This is my 5th video on Workhorse. If you missed out on my first couple of videos, you can binge watch those in a playlist in the description below. Before I get started, though, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please use your own judgment and do your own due diligence on anything I talk about today. If you appreciate my close following of Workhorse and want to get this video out to more people and help spread the word about Workhorse's momentum, please like this video, share with a friend or community, and subscribe. Keep in mind, the more likes and subscribes, the more the YouTube algorithm is likely to push out this video to more people and keep this Workhorse momentum going. So with that being said, let's get started. We're first going to take a look at the short interest data in Ortex. We can see that Workhorse is currently sitting at 36.9% for the current short interest percentage of the free float. That's a decent drop from yesterday's numbers, as it is a negative 8.49% change. If you look at the cost to borrow average, though, we can see that it is 8.76%. The interesting part is that the cost to borrow did increase from yesterday's numbers, which can be a good sign. Also, the current days to cover is at 3.64 days. But the most fun data that I love to see always is the utilization rate. It's sitting at 95.79 for utilization, which is enormously high. Next, we're going to check out the movements of the day. Today was a pretty red day. Unfortunately, the paper hands let loose as this stock dropped 3.55% over the day. In the after hours, this continued with a 5-cent drop as well. However, to me, this seems like it's going to be just a one-day drop, as we still have a good amount of pressure maintaining its momentum with the short interest and the cost to borrow. I still believe that this stock is on its way to $20 and hopefully soon to the moon. For the day, though, we opened up at $16.93, which actually was the intraday high. Then very quickly, it dropped to the $16.10 mark, which was the intraday low within only 8 minutes. Talk about volatility. Luckily, this drop was short-lived as we rebounded and went back to $16.89 fairly quickly. And then we stayed pretty much above the VWAP for a couple of hours, and then at 12:37, we saw a really large red candlestick. This pushed us below that VWAP, and this downtrend continued up until the last couple minutes of the day, where we closed at $16.59. Not terrible, but not as high as I would like to see it. It was 61-cent drop from the previous day's closing. Hopefully tomorrow we will see some stronger movement up. Next, the volume for the day was about half the amount that we saw on Tuesday, as it was only 13.26 million shares traded. Is this low volume of shares traded the calm before the storm, though? Who knows? It's even less than the average of 18 million. Hopefully, today was a calm day, and this week we will see this storm raging and driving this price up. Next, we're going to go check out Ape Wisdom to see the trending stocks on Reddit for the past 24 hours. As we can see, Workhorse is sitting at number 7, everyone. That is a bit of a drop from the previous day, but it does make sense as we did experience a red day today. However, that is still no excuse. Please join our subreddit page if you haven't done so yet, and start sharing the good word about Workhorse. There is a link to the subreddit in the description below. Right now we have 8.9 thousand members. In my last video, we had 8.8 members. So some solid growth, about 100 members for the day. So please check out the community and join it today, okay? Next, we're going to check out the Webull app. And see the order flow. The order flow, just like a couple previous days ago, the inflow did match the outflow pretty well for large-scale orders. Hopefully, we do see more inflow in the futures days to come. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you have anything that you would like me to add into these videos about Workhorse for the future, please comment them down below. If you like this video and want me to continue following Workhorses closely, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. As always, have a great trading day, you lucky people. Take care. Bye-bye.